Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. So I have been in Dumaguete for over a month now, and I haven't settled in one place in quite a while. So I thought, since I have a full month here, over a month, I will go ahead and do a budget video for Dumaguete for the month of November. Now, believe it or not, in over 3 years of being in the Philippines, this has been my least expensive month in the Philippines, and I'll tell you why. Stay tuned. All right, so we'll go ahead and go through my budget for the month of November. So let's go ahead and take a look over here at my computer. Okay, let's go ahead and start off with the budget first. So we're going to start off with the rent and the mortgage over here. You can see I have $250 for the month of November. Let me tell you why, and I'll tell you how you can also get that same amount or less. Now, in Dumaguete, if you live right on the outskirts or in Bacong or Valencia or Darwin or some other places, you can also get that inexpensive rent. Now, what I did is I found a really nice house, big house, right outside of the city of Dumaguete, and I split it with a buddy. Now, it's an Airbnb, so electric internet, high-speed internet, cable TV, and electric water, all is included, okay? So it was $500 US. Now, you could probably rent out a house like this much, much cheaper without doing it through Airbnb, but then you'd probably be responsible for those separate bills, and you'd probably also have to enter into a lease agreement, and I did not want to do that yet. I never want to enter into any kind of lease agreement until I know 100% I like the city and I want to stay there for a while. And jury's still out. You'll see why in an upcoming video about Dumaguete. But yeah, so we split the rent down the middle. So it was 25,000 pesos. We split it to 12,500 pesos, which is $250 US. Okay. Now, like I said, throughout Dumaguete, you can easily get an apartment for 10,000, 12,000. Even some guys are going to say, "Oh, that's too much." I'm sure you can find even cheaper than that. Depends what you want, where you want to be, and exactly what you're looking for. Okay, so let's get back over here and take a look. So you can see electric, zero, water, zero. Like I said, that's all included when you do Airbnb. Cell phone. So handy dandy cell phone. I never pay more than $10 for the whole month. That gives me pretty much data, texting, calling, everything for the entire month. Groceries. Now, I've been doing pretty cheap on groceries. I'm really more of a fan to go out and eat. That's kind of my entertainment. So groceries, here's what I do. I do eggs and bacon sometimes. That's a special treat for me. Normally I just do plain oatmeal, slice up some bananas, put a little bit of honey on it and hot water, and voila, that's my breakfast. Healthy, cheap, inexpensive. That's what I do. And rarely do I ever eat 3 meals a day. I never can eat immediately when I wake up. So I eat a late breakfast, so lunch is kind of skipped over, and then usually I'm eating like dinner by 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock, and then I'm done for the night, maybe a snack later. So that's why my groceries are cheap. Okay. Internet, like I said, zero. Dining out and coffee. Now that's my expensive habit, is dining out. I found a really good restaurant here in Dumaguete. It's called Cafe Racer. You can get this phenomenal breaded pork chop, mixed vegetables, good mashed potatoes with like a peppercorn type sauce all over it, and that's $4 US. You do the math. And once in a while, I'll do an expensive coffee like a Starbucks. Not that often anymore because I'm not that convenient to it. I have to hop on my motorbike and go there, so I don't do that often. So 150 for dining out and coffee. Next, travel and excursions. Well, I haven't really done a whole lot of traveling to other places yet. I'm kind of sticking here until the holidays are done, and then I'm sure that category will go up in price. But for now, I hop on my motorbike and I drive all over. I go see waterfalls, hot springs, just explore beaches and other towns. And that's entertainment for me. I love hopping on my motorbike here and just driving all over. Wide open roads, a lot of nature. I like it. Okay, so I do have a credit card that I pay about 35 bucks a month. Visa fees come out to about 450 US a year here. Budget that out, it's about 35 a month. Haircuts. I no longer go into the mall and get haircuts. I go just down the road, 35 pesos for my haircut. I give them a 50 peso bill, keep the change. So that's $1 that I spend for haircuts, and I do that every single week. $4, and then throw in just personal care, shampoo, conditioner, things like that. Soap, I included that all under personal care. Entertainment, $100. So sometimes I spend a little more, sometimes less, but maybe I'll go to a bar once in a while to listen to a live band. I'm not really a drinker, rarely. If I do have a drink, it's a sissy drink. It's like a San Miguel Light, and I'll do like 1 beer or 2 beers at the most. Sometimes I don't even have that. Okay, but I like to listen to live bands, so I do like that. Motorbike. I rent out a motorbike here in Dumaguete for 5,000 pesos, which is 100 US dollars. Add another $15 on that to account for gas, and you're good to go for the entire month. And that is my budget. And so my budget total comes out to, drum roll please, total amount 855 US dollars. That's it for November. So January 3rd, when me and my roommate go separate ways, roommate is okay for a month or two. It's not really my thing, not really his thing either. Both want our privacy, understandably. I don't expect my budget to really change. And from here on out, I don't really expect, even if I go to other places, I don't think I will stay in condos anymore. Why? When I can live safely in a nicer, bigger house, and have half the price. So why not? But yeah, 855 bucks. I'm a pretty happy camper, and I enjoyed my month immensely. Had plenty of entertainment, ate out. I did not suffer at all. Some people may say, "Wow, how do you do that?" Well, I just explained it, so you go figure it out. So hopefully this video helps you guys. You can see at home that you can live very inexpensively here, or you can live a higher lifestyle. It's up to you really what kind of lifestyle you want to live. So thanks for tuning in. See you guys next time. Bye.